Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. Okay, but quickly, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out the market one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, and of course guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Mioka trade indicator to do my analysis right from here. This actually went on uptrend and it ended it at this resistance zone. Right from there it started the downtrend and it has been selling since then. Okay, broke out from this support zone and it is still selling at the moment, even though it is approaching the next support zone. If it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a buy trend. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and you can see I love this pattern guys. It went on downtrend but came to an end at this support zone. Right from there it started an uptrend. Okay, and it has gotten to this resistance zone. Okay, so if it's unable to break out this resistance zone, then definitely it will be going back on downtrend, even though it will be trying the resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment, might not be for a very long time before it to change the direction of the market into a sell trend. Okay, so this is very important. The next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on a very strong downtrend. Okay, it was on uptrend before, but right now it has been on a very strong downtrend, even though it has not been able to break out below this support zone. And if it's unable to break out below it, then definitely it will go back on buy trend right from there. So this is very important. So this might be buying more at the moment, except if it breaks out below that support zone, that is when it will sell more. Okay, if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will be buying more right from there. So this is very important. So the next asset is going to be our crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on downtrend right from there. Okay, so it will be trying out the support zone again to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then definitely the next support zone is what we should be looking out for. So this is still selling at the moment, so it's going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and just the way we have seen this had been on a buy trend, and of course just the way we have seen it, right from this support zone it has been buying, even though it is approaching this resistance zone. If it's unable to break out above this resistance, it's going to sell, but if it breaks out above it, then it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you need to do is just understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.